Okay, hello everyone. My name is Polina Pokhodyaeva, and today we will do lab 6.7.2. If I'm not mistaken, it's build a sample web app in a Docker container. So in this lab, we will review basic bash scripting, then mm, we'll then build modify Python script and create bash script to automate the process for creating Dockerfile. So we will use Docker commands to investigate uh, learning the Docker container instance. Okay, part one, launch the virtual machine. I'm already doing it. Okay, part two, create a simple bash script. Step one, create an empty bash script file. Okay, it's in terminal. Let's open the terminal and change our directory labs devnet. Okay. Okay, then Dutch. We create. It's the command to create to add a new file. Dutch. And our new file user input dot sh. Okay, we create the empty file for our script, and we need to open it in Nano text editor by the Nano command. Using tab or okay, so we in text editor, and in step three we need to add Shiban to the top of the script. So we need to add this stroke. It's the magic stroke that says our system that it is the bash script. I think I can I copy paste or it's oh yeah. Okay. Then we need to add this simple bash commands to the script. This so we create like interactive script that asks us name and then print it to the screen. Yes. So press Control X, Control X. Okay, then yes, Y, then enter to exit, and save your script, and then run our script from the command line. Okay, using bash, user. Okay, my name is Polina. Your name is Polina, that's right. So our script is work. Okay, so then we need to change the mode of the script to an executable file for all users. So now if we check, you can see that there is no X here. So we need to include X like executable. Uh, so we need that we want to um, I forgot how in English. So we need to add the X because we want to execute this file. So, okay. We use the command change mode. A plus X. Okay, then let's check. Yes, now you can see that there is like X also. So we need to rename file to remove the ACH extension because it's like more that users don't have to add that, so it's like more comfortable, more convenient. Uh, t- t- yeah. Mm, so we can now execute the script for the command line without source command or an extension. So now it's more convenient to execute the script. Oh, like, yes, yeah, that works. Okay, part three. Now we need to create simple web app. Mm, firstly we need to install Flask and open a port on the firewall. Okay, let me read. So it's the explanation about frameworks. So like that framework is a code library to make it easier for developers to create reliable, scalable, and maintainable web applications. So Flask is that web application framework. So what Flask do? It receives a request and then provides a response to the user in the web app. Okay, because we want to display an IP address. Uh, that's why our web app is dynamic. So that's why we need to use Flask. Okay, when the terminal, yeah, so we are here, and then we need to pip free install Flask. Okay, pip free install. Yes, I think that's good. So we need to open sample app.py. Yeah, we can do it inside Viscode. Viscode is more convenient for me. I don't like um, Nano or Vim text editors. So, oh no, no, not fun. Open file, internet, sample app, and sample app.py. Hello. And we need to add uh, these strokes. And so we need to add some needed parts of Flask So the Flask and request for working web app. Okay, let's create an instance of the Flask class. So we will use the simple command. So we like create the base of our web app. Okay, step 5, define a method to display the client IP address. Okay, we like programming that we want to show our user that the, their IP address. Okay, so return you're calling me from, and then our, I'm sorry, and then our IP address. Okay, then we need to configure the app to run locally. So we need to like point in which address or in port we need to execute a web server locally in this host. Mm-hmm. Okay, host and port. Okay, save and run your simple web app. Okay, save. And then go into terminal and let's execute our simple app.py. Oh, yeah, yeah. I was just scared because this is red line. So yes, that's all okay. This is the sorry. Yes, the our web server is working, so it's okay. So Control C. Ah, no, no, no. We we need to so our server is working. Okay, open Chrome and enter in the URL field. We should your yes, it's working. Okay, you're calling me from 100 our IP. So our code, our script is looking good. It's all working nice. Not no batch requests. So we also can check it on Git Favicon. Okay, stop server. We also can check it by the terminal, but I think it's okay. So part four, configure the web app to use website files. So we build a sample web app to include index and style CSS. Okay, but I think it's already here. Yes. With let's open cat templates index. Yeah. So we already have a little HTML and CSS script, so I don't want to change it, but we can change it for like maybe change some color or something like this. But so let's check um, CSS. Yeah, so uh, as I see, when we will like, execute this file, we include index and page and style CSS specification, then our site will look not like just text and light light steel blue background and uh, and the text with the H1. Okay, but we need to update it. We need to update our Python code. So to add the index, HTML and the style. Okay. So we now import render template, and then we return not just phrase, but we return render template. So it's the not the function and index HTML. Okay, save and run. Oh no, I just sorry, I just uh, Control C, but here we if we press Control C we quit, but I want to copy it and I just press Control C. Okay, let's just do it again. Mm, whoa, what happened? I really like copy pasting. Yes, so it's the Ashadi H1 text and light steel blue background. So our style CSS and our index HTML is working all right. So our program is running. Good. Okay, verify your program is running. Again, you can verify in one of two ways. So now we um the first way is check it on in the browser, and another one is check it on another terminal page, like curl http 0.0 0.0.08080. Yes, you are calling me from because we like return the index HTML. So then we see here HTML file, and you're calling me from our IP address. Okay, stop the server. And stop. So you can see here, like, because we don't have favicon like this, the icon in the browser, so we don't have favicon. That's why it's 404. But in our request we have 200. We have two requests here in the browser and one request in terminal. So it's good. Okay, create a bash script to build and run a Docker container. It's our part 5. So we need to create temporary directories to store the files, like to the container. Okay. Okay, open sample app.h bash script file, add the shebang, and okay, I think I can open it here, sample app. Okay, and then edit here. So this is our magic stroke. So we create a directory structure by dir. Then we copy website directories to temporary directory. So we need to add these commands. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. I'm a little bit sick. I'm so sorry. Copy. Yes, we copy website directories and our sample app.py to our temporary that we create, like in this commands. Okay, then create a Docker file. So this Docker file will be used to build the container. So we automatically, so by this script, we automatically create a Docker file, like the receipt to like a receipt of creating container with our web app. So firstly is we need the Python that works in our container. So we add this. Then we need a Flask, and we use docker run command to install Flask. Then our container will need the folders, the same folders like in the simple app py to run the app. So we copy it to the Docker container. Okay. So So we copy this templates in static. Here we have CSS and here we have index.html. Okay, expose command to expose port. And add the cmd command to execute the Python script. So as you see, all these commands will like add to Docker file. Okay, so we need to build the Docker container. We also need to add these commands to switch for the temp.dir directory and build a Docker container. So we create the look. So we compose all this stuff in one container that we can execute. It's like a packet, like a bag. So at the commands key, then start the container and verify it's running. So we need to add this docker run command. So what we see here that t specify that we want a terminal created for the container so we can access it at the command line. D indicate that we want the container to run in the background and print the container ID. When executing, okay, P specify that you want to publish the container's turn port to the host. P name that you want to call instance of the container. And docker pca command to display all currently running Docker containers. So is this okay with yes, I think with microphone because my right so it's okay. I think you can hear me. Okay, let's be a little bit uh, quickly. Okay, this. So to display all currently running Docker containers, this command will be the last executed by the bash script. Okay, save. And let's go to the part 6. So we're in the right directory and we need to execute our bash script. Okay. Simple. It's so I continue my work. I have some troubles with Docker, so I need to just update it and log in. So I stop my previous recording and start it again now. So here you can see my mm, I'm just trying to So I created a lot of Docker containers. So and the working container is here. So it is ID. Okay, and I'm already uh checked. That's but yeah, I have these files in temp tier, and sorry, I have just two Docker files because of my experimentations and some because I have some troubles. I fixed it. And I'm already used HTTP localhost, and here, yeah, we can see that you're calling me from this IP, so it's work nice. Okay, and then let's check the address. So yeah, here the first one have this, yes, and in the first this, yes, all this right. Okay, so here we can see that our network like interfaces and IP addresses that's created by our Docker. Okay, then we want to access and explore the running container, so we need to just go inside this container. Just go. So here, yeah, we're now inside our container. Let's see. Yeah. Mm, so we're now with the root. Uh, yeah, let me read the file. So it's our file system inside our container. Then we need to check that our file, web app file, are inside this container. So uh, and we'll see home, my app. Yeah, here we have sample apps, static and templates, so CSS and index file. Okay, and then we can exit from this container. So it works, like we can see it here that it works. It's all files here, okay. And exit, so now again our system. Okay, then we need to stop and remove the Docker container. Let's stop it. So we stop our container by with the Docker stop command specify the name of the running container. So our app is stopped working, but the container is safe, so it's not deleting. Okay, it's my containers. Okay, then we can restart it. A stop container. So it's again will start. So I think I will do it. And then we want to remove it with the rm command, just permanently. So to fully delete this container, we need to use this command, but we can again like um, create it and build it. So um, yes, we can. Yep. So you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is our sample up Docker. Is now not so it's we deleted, but we can build it if we want again. So what we learned today is that Docker um, can build or like create like a container for app with the all um, with all features like in the isolated container, so that fully that works like the same in every machine. So it's a base for modern developing and DevOps. So thank you for your attention and goodbye.